Welcome back to Home Lifestyle and Decor. In this video I will show you how to paint a golden tree for a makeover of this crockery unit. Generally crockery units are placed against a wall, but I have used this crockery unit of 5.5 by 4.5 feet as a partition, so its back is visible and I wanted to use this space creatively. Started with 2 coats of dark brown oil paint, which made the shining surface ready for any design. And for the tree, I have used the golden glass paint outliner to draw the tree trunk and branches. It will give it a 3D effect. Shining pearl color is just perfect for the leaves. I would like my tree to be full with leaves, so I need to add more branches and complete it. Adding more leaves is easy, and the beauty lies in the size and color of the tree. And after 2 hours, if you like this idea, you can try it on your wall or doors also for an amazing transformation without spending a fortune. Stay tuned for more such budget-friendly ideas. Thank you.